G'day, now today's the 18th of June, which is almost the winter solstice here in Australia, and it's a beautiful sunny day, so I'm going to get up on the roof and clean the solar panels and see if that makes a difference to the power output. Right, so off I went. I just went up there with a hose with a little trigger nozzle, and I took a window squeegee, which I didn't end up using, and just a mop. Again, all I did was just give it a bit of a wet down and mop over it, just a quick once over. They really weren't that dirty to begin with, to be honest, but I just had to check this out. So walk up there, do a bit of rock lobster to the side, crawl over, get to the other side, and just get them down. Also noticed that those palm trees need a bit of trimming back while I was up there. Now I also noticed that the inverters up there just had a pulsing red light, which I guess is normal because they work, so they are just doing their thing. And now I'm just doing another section of panels here, trying not to fall off the roof. And all up, it didn't take that long. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Okay, given that it's a beautiful sunny day, pretty much in the middle of winter, it was a good time to clean the panels, and I'll see if it made a difference. All up, it only took about half an hour up there, so yeah, once every year of that I could handle. If it's worth it, we'll see. Okay, I'm back in the house, and it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. Still been sunny all day. And I'll have a look at if that made any difference. You can see on the graph here, this is the solar power, and I was on the roof around about here just after 11 o'clock. So you can see that would have been me mucking around. Right about here, the power increased a little bit, but we're only talking about 100 watts maximum there. It hasn't made much difference, but that being said, they weren't really that dirty either. So obviously where I live doesn't tend to get dusty and dirty. So I don't have to bother really going up there to clean, but I wanted to find out because otherwise I'd just be guessing, and I like the facts. So there it is. Look, it might have bumped up a little bit, but really it's not worth it for me. So this is just winter now, and I'll just make the best of it in summer. But now I know.